If you've just moved and your Xfinity Internet isn't set up yet, don't worry. I'll show you how to get everything connected in just a few simple steps. If this guide helps, be sure to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's begin by opening your Xfinity self-install kit. Make sure you have the gateway, power adapter, coaxial cable, and Ethernet cable ready before starting. Find the coaxial wall outlet in your new home and connect one end of the coaxial cable to the outlet and the other end to your Xfinity Gateway. Next, plug the gateway into a power outlet using the included power adapter. The device will begin starting automatically. Watch the LED light on the front of the gateway. It may blink for several minutes while the device connects to the Xfinity network. While the gateway is starting, grab your phone and make sure the Xfinity app is installed and ready to use. Open the Xfinity app and sign in using the same account you used when transferring or ordering your internet service. Follow the activation instructions shown inside the app. The setup process will guide you through each step automatically. The app may take a few minutes to verify your equipment and activate service at your new address, so be patient during this step. When the gateway's LED turns solid white, it usually means the internet connection has been established successfully. Now create a Wi-Fi name and a strong password that you'll use for all of your devices in the new home. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your phone and connect to the new wireless network using the password you just created. Next, connect your laptop or desktop computer to the same Wi-Fi network and open a website to confirm internet access. If the web page loads normally, your Xfinity Internet connection is working correctly and is ready to use. You can now connect your smart TV, streaming devices, gaming consoles, and other household devices to your new Wi-Fi network. It's also a good idea to connect another mobile device or tablet to make sure multiple devices work without any issues. Open the Xfinity app one more time to confirm that all connected devices appear in the device management section. Your home internet setup is now complete, and you should be ready to browse, stream videos, work online, and enjoy a stable connection. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide made setting up your Xfinity Internet after moving quick and easy.